Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Princess Luna from My Little Pony. So let's get started. To draw Princess Luna, we're going to first start by drawing her eye. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. And from this curve, I'm going to come down under it and draw a big curve that comes around. At this point, and I'm just going to follow it with a big round curve that goes all the way back up. So then from there, let's come out here and work on the lashes first. Since we're out here, I'm just going to bring out a really long lash right here, nice and thick, and another one right here, and another one. So 3 of them. There. Okay, so then from there, let's come in here and I'm going to draw a curve at the bottom. So this curve is kind of to the side, and then I'm going to draw 2 circles inside. So maybe the bottom one's a little bit smaller and the top one's a little bit bigger. And then just go ahead and shade it all in. Then at the bottom right here, just draw the lines that are coming from the center radiating out. So we have the eyes in. Let me come in here. My Sharpie is a little too thick. I'm just going to gently bring that to a point, as well as that one and that one. There. Okay, much better. Okay, now let that go. So then from there, I'm going to come out where I started the eye. I'm going to come out, say about right here. Just give myself a point. So from there, I'm going to start to draw the nose area and the mouth. So let's come out, a curve, and I'm going to round it off a little bit. Bring it down. So this part, just step back. Take a look, and then from there we're going to start to draw, bring in the curve and the chin. Right here, curve in a little bit, and my line is just going to stop about where the eye is. So curve it in, come down out a little bit, and up. So this is kind of where I'm going to stop. So then from there I'm just going to come in this little corner right here, and draw a little dot, and the mouth. But right here, just draw a curve. There, so we have that part in. Now let's come over here and I'm just going to draw a curve. So we're going to start the mane right here, really close to the eye, and flare it out. But now what I'm going to do from here is come to this side. So just so I know where my mane is, I'm going to come to the side now. So I'm going to start to build a face. So where the eyes are, give it a little bit space, say about right here. I'll start, and I'm going to draw a curve. So we're going to start to frame the eye, and from there let's bring this up. And from this curve we're going to start to draw the ear. So let's bring this up more. And in this ear I'm going to round it off a little bit for the ear. And bring it down. And let's come in here with a curve. So then now we can go ahead and draw this part. So I'm going to come from where the ear is and bring down a curve and connect back to this curve. So that's why I drew this in first, so that I know where to connect back. So from there, let's bring this up. And we're just going to head right back to there. All the way back. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw this part right here. So you're going to imagine this coming through. It's going to come out about right here. gonna bring this down a little bit more, kind of like where the chin is. And in this area, we're just gonna go ahead and connect this. And then let's come back up here. So in this area, I'm gonna draw the horn. So right here, I'm gonna come to the center of that, say about this high. And I'm just gonna connect 2 angle lines. For my horn. And I'm gonna come in here and just draw some curves to give it some dimension and details for the horn. And then let's draw the crown. So in this little area right here, I'm going to start say about right here. It's going to be 3 of them, shorter one. Then I'm going to go up higher, come back down, and another one, and just tuck it in. Okay, so then from there, let's start to draw the neck. So let's come right under the chin where the eye is, about right here. And I'm going to draw a curve that comes down. From this part right here, from this little edge, draw another curve. So we're going to start to build a neck. Now it's pretty even. Let's bring this down more. Say about right there. Bring this down a little bit more. From there, I'm going to go ahead and wave a curve. So I'm going to go up and down. In this area, there's going to be a little chest plate that we're going to draw. So let's come over here. And I'm going to start to round it off for the chest area. And I'm going to pop this out a little bit. So then from there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it. Down and together. So then let's bring this in, imagining it coming through. Just going to come in here and come out right here. Okay, so then from there, let's start to, let's work on the legs first. So, but right here, in this area, right under the ear, let's start to build the legs. I'm going to come down, really long legs. 2 curves, and then let's just flare it out a little bit. Say about right there. And it's going to flare wider as we come down. And about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. So let's draw the back one. So really close. And we're just basically following our front leg. So we're going to end it shorter because it's in the back and bring it in. So then from there, let's start to draw the wing that's right here. So I'm going to come up in this area, draw a curve, and I'm going to angle a straight line, kind of straight, close to this part right here. So make sure it's kind of close and go up. And about this area, I'm going to start to curve it out. So just notice it's pretty straight right there. And before I finish the rest of it, I'm going to come back here so I know about how wide to make the wings. So kind of where I started, I'm just going to come about right here and draw a curve. It's about that wide. And I'm just going to start with one curve first, and then another one. And then from there I can kind of picture, I'm going to start to go, so not too much. About right there. Go about right up. So kind of like where the ears are, go up. And then come down. And let's start to draw more curves. So 1, this is 2. Then now let's just flare it out a little bit. And we're going to start to aim back to here. There. Now let's draw the back one. So right in this area, let's just tuck a curve in. And we're going to pop it out about right here. And once again, it's going to go up. So this one is higher, come down. Let's go back up. And another one, just tuck it right in there. And then inside right here, we can draw some details. Let's come up. And as we come up right here, we're going to round it back down. 3, and just one more. There. Okay, so then from there, now that we have the wing in, let's come about, imagine this coming through. So about right here, we're going to start, and we're going to draw the back. And we're just going to come down, not too long. So it's way before the wings end. And then let's finish this part. So imagine this curve coming through. So then let's work on this back side so we know how far to bring that curve. So I'm going to start to bring this down. So I'm going to stop about right there. So we're just still aiming for that oval. That's why I'm stopping right here. And but in this area, now that we have that in, start to bring it out. So I'm going to make the thighs about this thick. So then now we can go ahead and build it. Bring this out a little bit. Follow. And then about right there, we can go ahead and bring it in. All the way down, just like the front legs. Right there. And connect. So now we can go ahead and finish this curve. So just bring it right in. And let's draw the back. We're just going to follow the front. And bring it in. There. Okay, so then now the tail. So in this area and here, we're going to start to flare it out. Beautiful tail. Just going to go ahead and curve. And bring it in. It really doesn't matter. Just draw some curves. And same thing here. Just wave it. And as we come down here, connect it. There. And then now for this side, for the mane. So we're going to imagine this coming through this gorgeous mane right here. So we're going to pop out something. A curve right here. And it's going to pop out, so say about right here. I'm going to start to wave it down, just like the tail. And once again, it doesn't matter. So just wave to about right there. And bring it in. And just tuck it in. Okay, so then now for some details right here. We're going to draw part of a moon. So just a curve and then tuck it in. And then right here, we're going to draw, say right under the wing right here, draw a curve. And another curve. So this is the mark for Princess Luna. And the moon right here, crescent. And then there's some dark spots right here. So 1, 2, 3, and it gets smaller. And of course right here for the hoofs, let's draw some details. A curve and another curve. It brings it in. And same thing on the back, just a curve right there. And right here as well. So there, I hope you love how this Princess Luna turned out and it inspires you to give it a try, and I made it easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Drastic 2 videos. See you later.